Good afternoon, class. Come in, have a seat. I just want to give you guys a heads up. I have a friend who's taking a really big test today, and she might give me a call in a little bit. She's been really worried about it, so she might give me a call and let me know how she is doing. So I'm just going to pick that up if you hear my phone ring. So today we're going to talk about making inferences or inferring something. Does anybody know what that means? Have you guys ever heard that word before? No, it's kind of a different word. So I know you guys have been working on the science fair lately, and so you might have heard the word hypothesis, which is kind of like a guess as to what you think is going to happen at the end of your experiment. Inferring is something that's kind of similar. So maybe when we're reading something, we can kind of make inferences or guesses about what might happen based on the text that's available to us. Or we can kind of like, it's kind of like making a prediction, but not quite. It's kind of predicting about something that has happened. Oh, there's my phone right now. I'm gonna take this call real quick. Hello. Yes? Oh my goodness, that's great. Oh, how exciting. Okay, I've got to get back to class. I'm sorry. Okay, bye. All right. Well, you know what? Since we've been talking about inferences, do you think you guys could make an inference about how my friend's test went? Raised hands. You think it went good? Yeah? What about you? You think it went good too? And you think it went good? All right, well, it seems like a lot of us think it went good. Why do we think it went good? Looking for hands. Yeah? So you heard that I looked really happy. Do you think I would be happy if she failed her test? Hopefully not, if she was a good friend, right? So you guys can kind of tell based on my reaction, even though you didn't hear what she said, you knew what I told you guys, that she was going to have a big test and that I was going to get a phone call from her. And then I seemed really happy when I was on the phone later, right? So that gives you kind of an idea, even though you guys didn't get every little bit of information, you guys can kind of assume the missing part. You can infer that missing part based on the pieces that we do have. So we're going to practice that a little bit today. We're going to read a little bit of a passage and we're going to see what we can infer based on what the author is telling us. See if we can kind of fill in some of those blank spots. So I'm going to have a friend pass these out for me, and I want you guys to get out a pencil. We're all going to get ready to work on this.